Welcome to a new BMW video. It has been a while, but we are back and trying to get this car going. So we've done the seat belts. We are going to take it for the MOT and we'll see where we get with that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video and keep tuned and let's get this finished. Fortunately it's back from the MOT and it has failed it. So there are a few things that we need to tidy up. There are loose bits inside the wheel arch that were hanging off, so we'll chop them off. There are a few loose bits on there. The wheel's actually moving, so we need to change the, I don't know, track rod end maybe or something like that. So we'll address that. There is a hole in the floor there and the other side that we need to cut out and weld something in. So we'll get that sorted. I think we might also do the brakes because they weren't the greatest, and then we'll try to take it for the MOT again.
Sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal.
Right, so next up, doesn't matter about the MOT and stuff, we are gonna go and change the coilovers.
That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down.
I was gonna sell these coil springs and shockers, but I don't think we actually will do that because this part of the spring is there. It's supposed to be on the end there, so it's actually snapped spring. Might still be good for someone. If you want them, give us a shout. I'll give you them away instead of a scrap man. But yeah, they're not going to be good to sell, so we'll see what the fronts are like. If fronts are alright, we might still sell the front. If not, they'll go in the bin.
Feel like 550 on the 5 stick, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick.
Okay, we've had a little break for Christmas, so we haven't actually had a chance to finish this after it failed MOT. I did start cleaning up around the holes in the floor and trying to cut them out, but I never did because we only had the little Dremel. So I've got the actual angle grinder now. So what we'll do, we'll start tidying up them holes in the floor on both sides, and hopefully that should be it. Oh, we've also got to adjust the coilovers that we just fitted. Obviously we just put them on assuming that they are actually pre-adjusted the same, but they are not. So if you look, this side is sitting really nice and low, where the other side is sitting a lot higher. So we'll have to address that. And also similar to the front on this side is sitting a lot higher than it is on this side. After we fix the holes in the floor, I think that is the next thing that we are gonna do, adjust the coilovers. We've got a bit of metal that hopefully, put it in there and weld it in, it should be alright. So I made it a little bit bigger so I can just cover it. Okay, so that's one side done, welded the steel plate in, covered it with sealant so it doesn't rust around the weld, both inside and outside under the car as well, all sealed off. So that should be all good. On to the other side. Right, so that's the other hole also done. Proper job that is. So that should be good to go. Right, so let's take it for a quick test drive, give the car a shakedown because we've just assembled everything, and we'll see how it looks after. It's ice. It's wheel spinning. Doesn't want to go up the hill. What's scraping? Something scraping. Right, so we gave it a little shakedown. I think it should be all good. So we'll take it for the MOT. Fingers crossed it passes this time. And see you in 5 minutes. Happy days, it's passed. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.